Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to create a stunning and effective landing page on the Squarespace. So either you are building a page for a product launch and use the letter sign up, special promotion, I will guide you step by step to ensure your landing page. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to log into your Squarespace account. Here you need to go to your Squarespace dashboard and you will be directed there. Of course guys, before we jump into building, let's talk about what a landing page is. So here it is a standalone web page created specifically for a marketing campaign or goal. So unlike your homepage, which might have a lots of links and instructions, this landing page focuses on a single action. Like for example, to sign up for your email list or behind your website or driving registrations for an event. So here guys, open the website editor and then choose a template that's depending on your liking guys. So for example is this one. Here you'll be able to see here start with a design. Here you can continue to customize styles, add features and more when you start a trial. So depending on your sample color presets guys, you can choose here. So right after you choose your color guys, you just need to tap that start with a design and then you will be directed to the other page guys. Here you'll be able to see here the template that you have chosen. So for example to that is this one. So here as you can see here, I have now my blog one. And right now is we are going on this side. As you can see here, there are different options here. Here guys, you need to go to the pages. As you can see here, there is the pages part. Tap on that one. So on the left hand menu guys, you can click on the pages. So here you can see here different options, but go to the pages menu guys. Tap on that one and you will be able to see there the add plus button or the add icon. Here you can see here blank page from the list options to have full control over your design. But don't worry guys, you can also create a page layout guys. So you can choose a template from this website guys. So here guys, choose depending on you if you want to add it on the main navigation or the not link. So here you can choose the blank page guide if you want to start with a blank page. But page layout guys, if you want to use a designer layout. On this tutorial guys, we are going to use this page layout and you'll be directed to the other page here. You can see here different templates here guys. So you can also give your page a name guys. For example to that one is you can give your page a clear name like sign up or promo page or a landing page. But don't worry guys, this name won't appear on your site's navigation if you keep it in the not link section. But in this tutorial guys, I keep it on the main navigation, so this name is visible to my site's navigation. So as you can see here, you can choose different templates here. So in this tutorial, we are going to choose this one. So now guys, you will be having your template here. So let's move on customizing it guys. First, you need to go on the edit option. You just need to tap on that one. And of course, the next thing you need to do here is to design the header section of your landing page. The header guys is the first thing the visitors will see. So it needs to be clean and visually appealing. You can also add a new section guys. In order to do this, just need to hover over the blank page and then click add section. You can also choose a layout guys such as a banner or an intro. And of course guys, click the pencil icon in the section to open the settings. And under the background guys, you can upload an image, select a solid color or add a gradient. So as you can see here, you'll be able to see here my site's navigation, the landing page. Here you can edit your header and rename that one, guys. Also guys, you can also add a headline and a sub-headline on this editing, guys. You just need to click on the text block and add your headline. And of course, make it clear, bold, and actionable. For example, that one is about us. Here guys is, I am going to add more image here. So if you're going to tap on the add icon, you'll be directed to the other page where is you will be able to see here, select from gallery, browse stock images. So for example, that one is this one. And here, for example, that one is, I am going to choose that one. You just need to tap on that one. And of course, guys, you can also add a call to action button here. You just need to click add block and tap the button. You can customize the button text to something action-oriented like sign up now or get started. So here, I can also change this one, guys, into about us. So here, your header now looks professional and clearly communicates your message. If you're creating a landing page, guys, to collect emails, you need a form. And also, guys, if you're making a form, you need to adjust the form design. And here, to encourage the visitors to take action, let's add supporting contents like benefits or behind this website, or add a testimonials. You can also add, like for example, frequently asked question. And here is the final call to action. To wrap up the page, you can add a final call to action to encourage visitors to take the next step, which is you can add a footer. So at the bottom of the page, add a simple footer with your contact informations or link it to your social media. Here you need to add a CTA section. Click add section and then choose the call to action. Before publishing your landing page, guys, you can still test everything. You can go to the preview in the editor and check the page on mobile devices to ensure it's responsive. Test the forms and buttons to make sure they work correctly. Once everything looks perfect, you need to click save and then publish. And that's how you create a landing page on Squarespace. Either you are collecting leads, promoting a product, or driving sign-ups, you now have the tools to build a clean, professional landing page that converts. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my future tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!